Hello everybody. Today we have a quick repair video on our 1969 Superior Cadillac Crown Sovereign Landaulet combination. We've got a pretty good vacuum leak coming from under the hood when the engine's running. With the engine running, you can hear the vacuum leak coming in this area. With the hood up, you can hear it a lot better. You can see the engine shaking. We've checked our brake booster hose coming from the carburetor. It's good. We've checked the grommet on the power brake booster. It's good. But if you disconnect it like so and plug it, the vacuum leak goes away. That tells us our problem is somewhere in the brake booster. There's a large diaphragm inside this brake booster. The leak could be coming from this seal that connects the front half to the back half. But if we run our finger under the master cylinder, we can hear that right there. We can hear the vacuum change pitch. That tells us the seal between the master cylinder and the power brake booster is bad. So let's get the master cylinder off and take a look at that seal. Alright, now with the two 9/16 nuts removed from the studs on the power brake booster, we can slide the master cylinder off. No need to take the lines off and introduce air into the system. Just slide that out of the way. And then we can get to that seal right there. And yes, the seal is damaged. So we will go ahead and replace it with a new one that we ordered. And it just slides in like so. Make sure it goes around the rod that goes into the bore for the piston of the master cylinder. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall the master cylinder and the two nuts that hold it down. Now with the new seal in place, the master cylinder reinstalled, tightened down, and the vacuum line reconnected to the brake booster, we'll go ahead and start the engine and check for vacuum leaks. There we have it, the engine's running. No vacuum leaks. Sounds great once again. All because of a rubber gasket that broke over time. We were able to order a new one of these off the internet with shipping, cost about $40. Very simple to reinstall. And we are happy. We thank you very much for watching our video, and we'd like for you to like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. Thank you again.